Shenzhen Vilady Automatic Machinery Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise focused on the research and development, production and sales of CCD precision alignment automation equipment. Provides solution for the whole line automation and intelligent production of circuit board and the printing industry, such as rolls production process. Vilady has CCD roll-to-roll precision presses, CCD rolls punching machine, CCD roll-to-roll precision die cutting machine, CCD roll-to-roll precision laminating machine, roll-to-roll line ATE testing machine, single and double row automatic punching machine, staggered shift roll automatic drilling machine, and many other models. Ship full automatic production process, CCD sheet precision printing presses, single head sheet automatic drilling machine, manipulator loading punching machine, punch manipulator, CCD alignment, FPC punch manipulator, 3-axis FPC punch load and unload manipulator, LU type, CCD alignment PCB 3-axis punch manipulator, single and double station and loader. Vilady CCD precision alignment platform, adjusting counterpoint in XY, theta direction automatically. The alignment is accurate to plus minus 0.02 millimeters, so that the entire automated production line is more fluid. It is mainly applicable to mobile phones, PC, cars, smart appliances, energy-saving digital display, aviation, packaging, toys, medical, catering, and other fields. Vilady gained profound industry qualification, more than 40 utility model patents and 5 invention patents. In addition, Vilady also joined the Robot Association, China Touch Association, Shenzhen Enterprise Federation, and China Printed Circuit Industry Association. In the future, Vilady will be full of aspirations. Continue to abide by the tenet, customer comes first, realistic and innovative. Fulfill the business mission to provide intelligent equipment and integrating solutions for customers around the world. History witnessed the strength. Capability makes the future. With a development vision to view the height of science and technology, with unremitting efforts to create new technology, Vilady will achieve a close combination with Internet and make its own contribution to Chinese manufacturing industry.